What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I want to take the time in this video, since it is the end of 2023, to tell you guys that I was wrong. Now, what was I wrong about? I was wrong about the crypto market, right? I thought the bull market was going to happen in 2023. It did not happen. Now, technically, the bull market, in my opinion, and what we have seen, and a lot of other people, what they would say about this, has started in 2023, right? Technically, some people might say it even started in 2022 when Bitcoin was starting to creep up. And you can see that trajectory there. But, the official bull market, when we see things that really start to fly, altcoins as well as Bitcoin and even Ethereum and all of these other cryptocurrencies up in the top 10 will start to really run. That's when we start to see the bull market activity, bullish activity. So even though it's a technicality, I still want to admit that I'm wrong. And the reason why I want to do that is because I thought we would see major movement in 2023 for everything, not just Bitcoin. I thought we would see that. And honestly, we should have. And I'm going to go through in this video the reasons as to why that didn't happen. Whether I was just wrong because I didn't know what I was talking about, or whether I was wrong because other things did happen. So, guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, you can definitely follow me there. Now, also, don't forget about my Margex account. I've been having a lot of success with Margex, and I'm currently having some pretty major success with Margex. I have two trades that are open right now for just $10 a piece, but I traded them at 100x leverage and 50x leverage. And one, I'm up about 4%. The other one, I'm up 222% or $15. So I didn't invest a crazy amount, but, just kind of testing out the market and also testing out how I can day trade more effectively and what the strategy should be within cryptocurrency. So if you guys want to start trading with Margex, honestly, it's a really, really good platform. I've been preaching about it for the last maybe month, and they are a partner with the channel, but they're a partner with the channel for good reason, right? Because I see the opportunity in being able to day trade and swing trade with that platform. So feel free to go and check out that link down below. You can trade up to 100x leverage on things like Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on BNB, 50x leverage on XRP and Solana, and then 25x leverage on some meme plays like Pepe or Shiba Inu. So definitely go ahead and check out those links or that link in the description. But while we've seen with the market, right, I want to go into look at the entire market. Currently, the market is up to a $1.67 trillion market cap. And before, I've put out videos talking about the crypto bull market and how things can go to a bull run or whatever, how they can get to a certain level. And this was in 2022, and how 2023 was going to be a bullish market, right? Well, we didn't really see that within 2023. Right, we saw maybe Bitcoin that was starting to creep up after it hit its lows, but things really did fall down. And from where I talked about those positions, they were at a much higher price than where they were. Even now, some of them were at a much higher price than where they are right now. But uh, Bitcoin has definitely moved up. It definitely creeped up within 2023. And now we see 2024, and so many people are hype around what will happen, right? With this play as well as with every play that's in the crypto market. So currently, like I said, you're seeing it at a $1.67 trillion market cap. And if we look at the entire market, if we wanted to look at the entire crypto market here and just click on everything, we're going to see how this has looked in all history, right? We saw this within 2022 where things did creep down, and then we started to see things pick back up. And more recently, within the end of 2022, we started to see everything pick back up, and that's because of Bitcoin, not because of everything else, because of just Bitcoin. So honestly, was 2023 a bullish market? That's really for you guys to decide whether it was a bull market. Is it the official bull run, the max bull run that we expected to see? No. And I can go out and say that absolutely not. It was not the largest bull run that we were supposed to see. It's not the impact that I was preaching about in 2022. And I want to learn from this scenario, right? And the things I want to learn is like what type of things could happen to make it not be the case, not be the bull run, not be the bull market. And honestly, when I went into it and I brought in all of the other side, it was always about what the history looked like and what we typically see and what the market looks like outside of the crypto market. And that's really what kind of stemmed like a lot of the negativity. So that's why I was like, it doesn't really look like we're going to have a major amount of negativity there unless some major thing hits. And what happens, right? We see, collapsed exchanges. We see the SEC decide to pretty much sue everyone. And as you have any type of positivity that comes up, the SEC goes, nope, we're going to take that away from you. So you have the Ripple versus the SEC. XRP is labeled as not a security. What did they decide to do before that decision even comes out? They know that it's going to be a decision that goes against them. So what do they decide to do? They sue Coinbase. They sue Binance. They sue Kraken. They sue everyone, Terraform Labs, absolutely everybody, so that even if Ripple did settle, even if you did come out with a positive outcome for Ripple or for XRP and Ripple, you would still see that negative impact for the SEC. And that's exactly what we saw. A continuation, a push down, a tear down of what we are doing, what we are investing into. So that's the main reason as to why the crypto market didn't run. It wasn't because of any type of trend line that it was on, or it was due for an increase. In 2023, it was due for a major increase. And the only thing really keeping it down is skepticism, right? People that look at exchanges and don't want to trade with exchanges, people that look at holding cryptocurrency and it's like, no, people are laundering money with that because honestly, there are businesses out there that are laundering money. Not saying that laundering money is okay, because it's not. But the point is that shouldn't be the main reason as to why we don't adopt cryptocurrency, because we can find ways to regulate a lot of these things. And whether it's through major regulation or through exchange regulation, we could figure that stuff out. But the point is that the SEC tried to keep this down. They tried to suppress cryptocurrency as much as they possibly can. Eventually, it's going to blow up, and they know it. But they want to suppress all the cryptocurrency gains until you see more stability. Because if the major markets and financial institutions are going to invest into Bitcoin with these Bitcoin ETFs, as well as the Ethereum ETFs and whatever other ETFs they decide to pick up, they want to make sure that everything is kind of suppressed before they decide to invest into it. So they're in at the lows, and then they could see this thing rise and have major success rather than already having that bull market happen. And then they're technically investing in at the highs for all these financial institutions, right? So that's kind of where they stand. And they didn't want the cryptocurrency market to explode, not because they don't like cryptocurrency, which I think that may be a portion of it for some people, but it's more about the little guy winning and the big guy investing at the peak. Typically, you see it the other way around, right? The little guy is investing at the peak, and the big guy's big money, smart money is winning. They're always winning in every scenario. However, we've been investing in crypto for a long time. They've been pushing it to the side. So, anyways, cryptocurrency, I was wrong about 2023 and it running. There were so many things that impacted that. Did not see any of those things coming, but 2024 should have a lot of upside. However, we have a lot of positive things that are coming in the form of the Bitcoin ETFs, as well as the Bitcoin halving, as well as the settlement for XRP. But honestly, we could see some negativity that is kind of intertwined within those decisions, within those things that are happening. So I want to prepare for the best case scenario, but we also want to understand what the worst case scenario could be. And that could be more stabilization from where we are rather than seeing it absolutely explode to a $5 or $10 trillion market cap. Now, I expect the latter, exploding to a $5 and $10 trillion market cap, but I want to be cautious here because it's not that I don't want to be wrong. It's just I want to make sure that people are protected as regular investors. You guys are protected as well. But I do see a lot of strength coming from the crypto market for 2024 because of the fact that we pretty much have no more of 2023 that's left. We can't do anything else in 2023 except wait for 2024. So let me know if you're excited for this. Let me know if you guys are bullish on the market. I don't know, throw some hundreds down there just to let me know that you watched till the end, that you guys are hyped for the crypto market. But if you guys want to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, again, if you guys want to start trading on Margex, It is a platform to where you can trade with up to 100x leverage. So if you see an opportunity on something, maybe you want to trade $20 and see the overall crypto market thrive, invest into Bitcoin at this level, and hopefully it runs to a level of 60, 70,000. You invested $20 at 100x leverage. That's $200 or so, right? Or $2,000 or so, sorry. And now you can see that $2,000 that's growing into so much more in the end while you're only risking $20. So definitely check out the leverage trading. If you guys want more of an explanation, feel free to hit me up on Patreon. I talk to people left and right, anybody that needs any type of help or navigating through certain things. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.